Are you lazy? Do you manifest signs of laziness? This video is to assist viewers identify some of the habits that keep or make one lazy. Simple daily routines can help you break long-standing harmful habits and replace them with positive ones. The key is in first realizing how much control our habits have over us. All great things have humble beginnings. Every habit starts with a little, one-time choice, but when you keep making the choice, a habit forms and intensifies. Success is the result of regular routines, not life-altering changes. Having said that, if you've been struggling to be more productive lately but aren't sure why, take this as a cue to start paying closer attention to your daily routine. Here are some of the most prevalent habits that make you lethargic, according to self-help professionals and psychologists. 1. Negative thought patterns. Cognitive psychology asserts that there are numerous negative thought patterns that can substantially impair a person's capacity to operate, damage their sense of self, and sap their motivation. Cognitive distortions are those. Several instances include a belief in all or nothing. I'll be a complete failure if I don't receive the grade I want. Overgeneralization. Today's rain caused me to be late for work. Why do I always experience terrible luck? And predicting doom. My crush dumped me, I'll never find love. 2. Lack of self-care. You might be surprised to learn that when researching the late, great scientist Albert Einstein, biographers were able to determine what his daily schedule was. Many productivity experts have since used this information, along with the daily schedules of other successful people, to apply their teachings. You know what's unexpected, though? The average amount of sleep that Albert Einstein had every night was 10 hours. He also took midday naps, daily walks, violin lessons, and 2 hours per day of pure thought. The major lesson here is that self-care is essential to productivity, even though we're not saying copying Einstein's methods will ensure your success. After all, a feeling of sloth and burnout can be brought on by lack of sleep, a sedentary lifestyle, poor diet, and a work-only mentality. 3. An overly comfortable environment. You might be surprised by this first one, but keep in mind that people often advise us to push ourselves beyond our comfort zones, because it may be simple to get lazy and complacent when we are extremely comfortable, whether it be at work, with our academic position, or with the same group of friends we've always had. Only surrounding oneself with things that are simple or familiar prevents us from being motivated to improve ourselves. In fact, a study discovered that for international exchange students, stepping outside of their comfort zones sparked more self-discovery and personal growth. 4. The attention economy. Have you ever gotten sidetracked for an hour or two by reading through your feed, choosing what to post, or watching a few TikTok and other social media videos without intending to? In his book, Emotional Resilience in the Age of Rage, Feels, and Freakouts, therapist Dr. Ralph describes how being continually bombarded with information due to having access to the internet may cause anyone to procrastinate and become constantly distracted, and living a fast-paced, hyper-connected lifestyle while spending too much time on social media may easily breed laziness and self-centeredness in us. Therefore, it would be wise to forego the before-bedtime scrolling and occasionally engage in a social media detox. 5. Poor planning. Prioritizing. Organizing. Poor planning, prioritizing, and organizing are last on our list of behaviors that make you sluggish, but they are by no means the least significant. These are vital life skills. Our productivity can truly suffer when we don't practice or respect these talents enough. Poor time management, for instance, causes a lot of running late and missed deadlines, while the lack of planning and organization can make reaching long-term goals appear unachievable and overwhelming. A study found a high correlation between effective time management and both academic success and personal satisfaction. So, not being able to set your own goals or prioritize chores could be keeping you from reaching your full potential. Do you? Then, identify with anything we've said. It's crucial to first recognize any potential contributing factors if you are battling with laziness. Only after that can you start to focus on improving your productivity over the long term. For better or worse, we are all creatures of habit. People frequently come to me even if they are aware of what they want to change because they are struggling to move from awareness to action. It takes more than insight. What bad behaviors need to be broken today? then. And what is your strategy? Please share your thoughts on the comment section. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe.